I'm sure you know about money, but did you know one thing that we are not taught in school, which is as important as food, water, and other things in life? It's wonderful if you know, but if you don't, I'm going to tell you that thing, which, if you master, will not only change your lives but will also change the lives of your children and your future generations, because it will pay off. In this video, I'm going to talk about that thing which is not taught in school, what it's all about, from where did I learn it, how can you learn it so that you can retire without worrying for a job and a pension. By the way, if you're new, welcome to my channel where I talk about financial literacy, good money, bad money, good debt, bad debt, why you must not save money, why a high-paying job can't make you rich, and much more. I'm committed to make you financially literate so that you don't hand over your money in future to a fake financial advisor or your friend to multiply your money and take control of your financial future. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss the updates. Let's get right to it. One thing that we are not taught in school is the subject of money. So what do you mean by that? That's called financial education. Financial education or financial literacy focuses on the ability to manage personal finance effectively, which requires experience of making appropriate personal finance choices such as savings, insurance, real estate, college payments, budgeting, retirement, and tax planning. Those who are financially illiterate struggle all their lives financially, working hard for money instead of getting money work for them. Even if the subject is taught later in their lives, they cannot learn it because they had been brainwashed. What do I mean by brainwash here is that they don't want to change their concepts that they had learned, and the myths of money, because their subconscious mind does not allow them to learn. That's why it's better if you get financially literate when you are a kid or a teen so that you can take control of your financial future. And look, here's the thing. We all want to live our lives to the fullest. We want a family vacation on an island or a luxurious car or a mansion worth millions. Who does not want these things? There are many things in the world we want to buy, but we can't, because you know the answer: lack of money. In other words, if you are financially illiterate, you will look for job security and a pension. Now let's answer the question, from where did I get this knowledge? Let's keep it simple. I read a book that my uncle gave me as a birthday gift, and the title of that book was Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I was 14 when I read that book, and whenever I read that book, it completely mesmerized me. For me, that was a completely new world, and I liked that. I felt lucky that I had a chance to read that book. This book is about personal finance, and if you want to get a financial head start, this book is a must read. Most of the people depend on their financial advisors or their friends who handle the money. They do this because they are financially illiterate. Their financial future and their hard earned money is in the hands of their so called advisors or friends. This is insane. This is the worst decision a person can make in his life, guys. Most of the people who are financially illiterate often say these words: investing is risky, get money, save money and get out of debt. What they don't know is that this advice was for the industrial age and now it's obsolete. They need to get ahead with the world, or they will be the one who will be affected the most. So getting financially educated is easy. It's just a change of mindset. If you love reading books, great. You can purchase the books of the genre like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, Wealth of Nations, and many more. You can also get educated by finding real teachers in this field who are preaching what they teach. What do I mean by preaching? Is that they are real teachers who know what they are teaching, and not the college PhDs who don't know what they teach and they think that only one answer is correct in the real world. Here's the most important thing, guys. You must change your mindset first and then take action, because if you don't change your mind, reading these books is worthless and a waste of time. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. I will be posting more on this content soon, and if you have any questions, comment below. See you soon.